I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. Don't want a lot for Christmas underneath the Christmas tree.
I just want you for my own, more than you will ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
America.
America.
America. I love seagulls for some reason.
I don't, because they steal my sandwiches at the beach.
Did you know my 3 favorite animals are number 1, zebra, number 2, flamingos, number 3, seagulls,
Ugh.
and then number 4, pigeons.
What about your cats?
Yeah, my cats are number 1.
Oh, okay.